Make a fruity smoothie parfait. First layer, we need blueberries. It's peanut butter.
Yum, yum, yum.
2 frozen strawberries. Half a frozen banana. Oh no! A little bit of honey. Soy milk, which doesn't have canola or sunflower oil because they cause inflammation. So check the back of your milk bottles, guys. Just enough so that it blends but doesn't get too watery. Put on the little blade thing. Never do that. Done. The honey didn't really melt, but that's okay.
Delicious.
Let's see what Mum thinks. Here you go, Mum.
Wow, what is this?
We'll see.
Delicious. Very unique. Very, very good.